What you get. 8 dip powder colors, 0.42 ounces each. Dip powder liquid set, base coat, top coat, activator, brush saver 0.34 ounces each. Dip manicure tools, nail brush, nail file, dip powder brush replacement, 1 beautiful storage bag. The colors contains in this dip powder nail set can do all your desired style. You can create your own unique nail art. Easy to use. Compared to traditional gel polish, it doesn't need UV LED lamp to cure, so that can avoid turning skin black and damaging skin. It just need 3-step dipping system to apply, an ideal choice for professional manicurists and nail beginners that enjoy the fun of DIY nails. Height quality long lasting. It can keep the nail art gorgeous and shiny for about 3 weeks with proper application. Compared to traditional nail lacquer and gel polish, our nail powder dip kit looks natural, is lightweight, and has impeccable shine. The dip powder kit make with healthy, natural formula. Our dipping powder system is resistant to chipping and cracking, breathable with no harm to the nails beds. Great gift. Dip powder nail kit comes in a beautiful gift box. They are appropriate for any holiday or special event, such as birthday, anniversary, Christmas, Valentine's Day gift. This dipping nails powder set is suitable for starter or professional application like photograph, party, hanging out at night, daily use. Service guarantee. It is our top priority to provide our customers with high-quality products and good service. If you have any questions about your order and package, please feel free to contact us. We are more than happy to help you out. Top reviews from the United States. Fast drying. I have been hesitant to buy the dip polish for quite some time and finally decided to go for it. My favorite feature is how quickly this dries. However, I love the color choices in this set and will definitely be buying more in the future.